In this video, we are going to see how the DGET function automatically uses the wildcard character, and it is very simple to apply this formula, especially if you have a database where the names are too long and you only know, let's say, the first name or last name of the person, and still you want to extract the results. First of all, we will compare it via XLOOKUP, and then we will see how the DGET works better in this scenario. So here we have the example that Sophia Michel. So it's too long, Messin Reynolds. Let's say that we only remember the last name or the first name of the person, and we still should be able to find their sales amount. How will we do that? Just write XLOOKUP here. Lookup value is this, and we want to find it in the lookup array of this. Just select the whole column so that we don't have to fix this, comma, return array. What do you want to return as an answer? It's this whole column, comma, if not found, it should show dash, comma, match mode should be the wildcard character match, and that's it, hit enter. But it is unable to find this because although we have chosen the match mode as wildcard character, we have to insert this wildcard character here as well. Inverted commas, static, and that means whatever comes behind this name, it should also be ignored, and still the main keyword should be taken from here, and whatever comes after that. So static, cell, and static, but there is a general format that whatever you write as an additional character should be in inverted commas mentioned as a text, and it should be joined with the cell formula or with another text using the AND function. So static, and, cell, and static. So whatever comes before this keyword, whatever comes after this keyword, it will be able to ignore that and still focus on the main keyword. So this way it should find this. So Sophia, let's try Brooks here. Ethan Brooks, and still it is able to pick up the sales, right? Let's enter this Emily, and it's 16,130. So that's how you can work on the XLOOKUP function. Now let's try this in DGET. In DGET, it's very simple. Let's apply DGET. Database, we will select the complete database, including the headings. That is the main condition. Field, since we are trying to find the sales, this is the main field that we are finding the results in. And a name, we will include both of these fields, including the heading. And that's pretty much it. Hit enter, and it should be able to pick up the wildcard character as well. So even if we write Grant, Isabella Grant, or Eva, 19060, let's write Grant again. I think I'm making some mistake. Daniel, Sophia. So it is able to pick the right details, and it doesn't need to separately include the wildcard character. So this is a very useful and easy to implement formula. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.